Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to put opening balance in Wave Accounting. Start by opening your browser and going to the website for Wave Accounting. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see the main menu on the left side of the screen. From the menu, click on Accounting. Once the accounting options appear, select Transactions. This page shows all the financial activity recorded in your Wave account. To enter your opening balance, click on Add Transaction. A small window will appear where you can enter the transaction details. First, choose the date. Select the day before you started tracking your finances in Wave. For example, if today is your first day using the software, select yesterday's date. Next, type opening balance or starting balance in the description field so you can easily identify this entry later. Check the account field and make sure the correct account is selected, such as cash on hand or your bank account. Leave the type as deposit. This tells Wave that the money already existed in the account. Enter the amount that was in the account on that date. After entering the amount, the category field will appear. From the drop-down list, choose Owner's Investment or Owner's Equity. Now click the blue Save button to record the opening balance. At the end of each month, it is important to reconcile your account to make sure your records match your bank statement. Go to Accounting and then click Reconciliation. Select the account you want to review. Compare the transactions listed in Wave with your bank statement. Check that the amounts and dates match. If everything is correct and the balances are the same, click Verify to complete the reconciliation. Doing this regularly helps keep your financial records accurate. Thanks for watching.